Hello. My cupboard is getting dotty disease. It's always a little bit alarming. Question number 38. 76 soldiers polish 400 buttons each. How many buttons did they polish in total? This is straight timesing. Now you can do 400 times 76. But you're going to end up with a lot of noughts doing that. We'll do it if you like, and I'll show you what I mean. It won't go wrong, but it's just you need to be careful. 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. 4 times 6 is 24. Now we put down the Smartie. 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. 4 times 7 is 28. Add it up. 0, 0, 4, 10, carry the 1, 1, 2, 3. So, and then put in your comma so that it's 30,400. So that wasn't terrible, was it? It's not bad. What you could do though is you could divide by 100 and do 76 times 4, and I'm going to put my two noughts because then you're going to multiply it by 100, but I know that what I can easily do and regularly do is forget to multiply by 100. What we've done really is we've just cut off the two noughts and then we stick them back on. You've got to be careful with decimals. Be very careful with decimals. So 6 times 4 is 24, 7 times 4 is 28, and 2 is 30. Comma. So both get you the same answer. This one's a bit quicker so long as you remember to put those noughts back. See you soon.